Okay, that's perfect.
Go. Hello, this is Itka Shmashmortion. We're reporting live from cruise ship. You see out there. It's so beautiful. We're just taking off from port. I want to do little weather report, just short, sweet, because everybody needs to know about wind advisory. I hope you hear what I'm saying over tropical Caribbean music. Come here, here's bystander. Come be in video. Say hello, bystander.
Hello, bystander.
He does not want to be in video. It's okay. Sometimes this happens. What I want you to know, there's not a lot wood to put over windows right now, but what you should do, wear like, I don't know, parka, something to block wind, protect yourself. It's going to be a very good cruise. By like tomorrow, it should be perfect weather for sailing. This is Itka Shmashmortion. We report live from cruise ship. Take care of yourself.